Hi, and welcome back. In the last episode, we explored inheritance. Today, we are learning about polymorphism, another core pillar of object oriented programming. Polymorphism means many forms, the ability of one function, operator, or object to behave in different ways. In C++, polymorphism allows the same function name or operator to perform different tasks depending on context. These are of two types: compile time polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. In compile time, we'll learn about function overloading and operator overloading. In runtime polymorphism, we'll learn about function overriding with virtual functions. Here in this program, we declared a class math and returned two functions, int add and double add, and this is called function overloading. The same function name add but different parameter types. Here we have int and here we have double. The compiler decides which version to call based on the arguments. Now here we have returned 2, 3 and this will call the integer type. With 2.5, 3.2, it will call double type. Let's see the output. We got 5 and 5.7. Let's see how operator overloading works. We created a class called complex in which we declared two variables, real and imaginary. Then we again called the complex and stored the values. Now this is how we will overload our plus operator. We called the class complex, then operator, and with the plus sign we are adding these complex numbers, const complex and, which is the reference other for the other number, like C2. Here we loaded the plus operator to add two complex numbers. Now C1 and C2 works just like with built-in types. Let's understand function overriding. This is a runtime polymorphism. The base class has virtual function and the derived class overrides it. When we call sound function using a base pointer, the correct version here, dogs, is chosen at the runtime. Let's run this program. Instead of getting animal makes a sound, we overrided the function and printed dog barks. I hope you understood all the programs and the points we have discussed. With polymorphism, we can write general code that works for different types of objects. Polymorphism is what makes C++ truly object oriented, allowing dynamic behavior at runtime. So, in this lesson, we learned function overloading and operator overloading, virtual functions and runtime polymorphism, why polymorphism makes programs more flexible. This is what you have to do. You have to create a base class shape with a virtual function area. Derive classes circle and rectangle. Override area and print areas using base class pointers. If you completed the challenge, drop a smiley emoji in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe because in the next episode, we'll cover constructors and destructors in C++.